What's up, y'all? So we back at it today, y'all. And today, I'm gonna go get this Underglow put in the car. Probably like late on the night. So before now, I'm gonna go take her some stuff. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go to this little wheel spot that I went to get my tires from, like early on, like when I first got the car, because I got different like lug nuts. Some is black, some is gray. I mean, not gray, but you know, silver. You know what I'm saying? So look at this, y'all. Now these right here is all black versus these. The car is dirty, you know what I'm saying? So later on, I'm gonna go wash the car. You know what I'm saying? And then look, these is gray. I mean, these is silver, and then this one's black. So it's like mismatch. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to, you know what I'm saying, that ain't going on. Same with like this side right here. This one's all silver, and I think this one probably got, I think, one silver on it. I don't know. So like these got all black, whatever. So yeah, y'all. I'm gonna go take care of that. So I'm gonna go right to this little wheel spot as we speak. You feel me? But what I'm about to give y'all is like a nice little cold start. I ain't driving for like 15 hours. You feel me? So it's been like a little minute. You know what I'm saying? So y'all check it out. Check it out real quick. Check it out. Check it out. I got y'all real quick. I got y'all. I'm about to go take, you know what I'm saying, like a nice little ride out here, take care of some stuff. Make sure y'all stay tuned, you feel me? Like I told y'all before, this is the place that I get my rims and my tires from. Well, not my tires though, but my rims though. You know what I'm saying?
10 times 3. 27,
These are the
right?
ones I need.
27.
The bolts right here.
Okay, so 28.89.
So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Yeah, the front two's already filled, and I need 5 on this side. So altogether, I need 9. So this is good. This is straight. Maybe y'all bro taking care of it for me. You know. Let's take care of this side real quick. Got me right, all black, you know what I'm saying? Each side, all of them. Feel me? Fronts are all black. This side, all black too. So. I'm about to go take care of some stuff, y'all. I'm gonna go wash the car, and then later on the night, y'all, Underglow kit installed. So y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned, all right? Wash the car right now. I'm gonna hand wash it though. You know what I'm saying? Now, keep in mind, y'all. Look, sometimes like if I don't feel like it, like if it's like cold or something, or I gotta be in a rush to get somewhere, I don't got, you know what I mean, all that time to do it. I'll just go through like this little car wash, whatever. It's official, y'all. It ain't nothing like that'll mess up your ass though. But I'll go there, get it done. They put like a little tire shine on your shit though. Any other time where I got time, like right now, I'll just hand wash it. It's way better. I actually get the spots that, you know, sometimes the car wash probably don't get, and it's just like better in like in that sense though. I'm gonna show y'all like the stuff I use for it. Like buckets. Look at this stuff. Look at that, y'all. This ain't good at all. Yeah. This is. Look at the back. The back look worse. On the tail light tent. I could draw my name, yeah. Sorry about the trunk. It's a little dirty, whatever. You know what I'm saying, but so look, this is what I use. I actually use 2 buckets. This bucket's here for the body, so whenever I'm washing and doing that, it's for the body. And this bucket right here is for the rims or the tires and the rims, blah blah blah. But I had this stuff in here. This stuff kind of got all greasy and whatever. This is what I used to wash off the car with. So I put this on the body, but what I do is I get a nice hot water, whatever, nice warm hot water in here. Put this in here, boom boom, it get real soapy, and I just use this to wash off the car. You can get this at AutoZone or Auto Vans. This is what it's called, y'all. Mother's California Gold Cornelius Wash On. And I just use this just to wipe it down. I'm gonna show y'all that, you know what I'm saying? And then for the tires, after I get done with everything, and after I like, you know, dry everything off, and then I use this stuff. This is called McGuire's Endurance Tire Gel, blah blah. So this is official. This is what I use to wash off the tire. As I can see, it's kind of like ripping, coming apart. This is like my third one. I'll be running through these, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And this is like my backup towel I use to dry. It's like this is like made of like microphobic or whatever you want to call it. But normally I use like this other towel, but right now it's getting washed, so I gotta use this instead. And these are all little stuff I be using like for, you know, like inside the car, and I'm gonna use this to spray like on the dashboard, you know, like inside the car. You feel me? Finally finished. Took me like an hour. I said about 40 minutes though. But yeah, you know, I have to get it nice and, you know, fresh. I had all these little mud and stuff and all that residue. But it's definitely clean. Not perfect though, you know, by all means. It can be better, but definitely clean though. So, nice and fresh. But yeah, y'all, I'm probably about to go meet up with the boys or something. Maybe, maybe not. So make sure y'all stay tuned. If not, I'm gonna go straight to go get these I got this new kit for this little Underglow that just came in. I'm gonna go get that put in. So make sure y'all stay tuned, yo. You feel me? Back in the garage, back at my bro's shop. It's back at it, y'all. About to get these new Underglow in stock. I got them right here. Yeah, they came in. Yeah, they came in, I think like last week, whatever, last Friday. Op 7 right here. There's a brand for those, you know what I'm saying, who want to order, you know me, a nice little Underglow. You make sure y'all go on Amazon. Well, they actually got their own little website, but right now it's showing like out of stock. So I mean, if I was y'all, well, what I did was I actually went on Amazon and I just ordered from there. It was just better, you know what I'm saying? So yo, just make sure y'all go check it out. So underneath, I think I told y'all, I think the last video or 2 videos ago, but my Underglow underneath was like, so like the brand I ordered before that was like, it was some cheap brand. And it was just cheap, you know. I'm like it was some random. I probably paid like $50 for it, but long story short, I had like after a while, after probably like a month, I had like, you know, lights from the other side and like this side. It was just like that side was like orange, this side was like yellow. It was just mixed colors, and then after a while, get the lights on the hair for like a strip on the hair, and the side was like hanging loose. So I say, you know, forget all that. I'm gonna just order a whole new set. They're actually connected to the battery, but they're actually like coming through like my fender right here. So I'm pretty sure these are the old ones that's already under here already. Already like under here already though. You know what I'm saying? He's pulling these ones out, but they're coming through my fender too. And there's some of it right here. And then there we go. The other ones from this side. I've already been here, these ones in. You know what I'm saying? There we go right here, y'all. It's underneath. So I'll just put the seat back and it'll shine right over. I can change the color through my phone, through that. You know what I mean? So yeah, so we about to take care of that right now. We about almost done, you know what I'm saying? He's finishing up right now. It's like blinking under here. He got this strip on this side on. He got the strip in the back and the front. We just gotta do the side on the other side, and we gonna be all straight. So right now he's feeling like the way I stood. We just finished up here. Bro just helped me out. He got me right. We just finished up. We got a way better, brighter kit this time. Yeah, this kit's way better, way brighter. It's official. It's legit too. I'm gonna show y'all from the back side. But the back side, yeah, my last kit, you can see it from the back side, but this kit, because I got that carbon fiber the diffuser, you definitely can't see it. I'm gonna try to turn the light on low. Yeah, you can't see it. Even if I get down low, still can barely see it. Right here, man. Yeah, that's way better. Way better. It's been like a long night, feel me? Make sure y'all stay tuned. And I'll see y'all on the next vid, feel me? I'm out.